Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you my full face of UV protective makeup. This is when you are going to the beach or the park or biking or anything like that where you're in the full sun and you don't want your skin to burn, but you still want to put on a bit of makeup for the day. Hair is back and I have my skincare on already. This is a SPF 50 broad spectrum sunscreen. I'm going to be using it as 3 different items. It's going to be my sunscreen, it's going to be the base coverage, and also my concealer. Just making sure it's on underneath the eyes and on the eyelids. It does not sting or burn your eyes. It's really amazing. Just making sure that there's a nice even layer all over my whole face, including near my hairline. Just want to make sure that I don't miss anything, because anytime I do, I tend to get a funny shaped burn wherever I've missed. I'm also going to be using the Everyday Minerals base. This is one of my favorite products to use as a powder and also as a spot concealer as well. This has titanium dioxide, so it's about a 15 SPF, and it works really great at layering over the Supergoop. Just make sure I stamp in any areas that are extra sensitive to turning red, my cheeks, my nose, parts of my forehead, and I use this as a concealer with this small brush from e.l.f. And as for bronzer, I'm using the Everyday Minerals Semi-Matte Base. It's in Rosy Tan. It's actually for someone with darker skin, but I use this as a bronzer. It works perfectly. This again also has titanium dioxide. This highlighter is another Everyday Minerals product. It's called the All Over Shimmer in Polished. I love using this in the corner of the eyes. You can also use this as a shimmer highlighter as well. This is my favorite blush. It's Everyday Minerals again, which is SPF 15, and it's called Lavender Fields. You know, you could get a eyeshadow that has sunscreen in it, but this Supergoop Shimmer shade eyeshadow is SPF 30 broad spectrum sunscreen, and it's in Sunset, and you can just use your finger to spread it across your eyelid, and it works as a full sunscreen, protecting your lids throughout the day, adding this really beautiful color that catches in the sunlight. Such a nice creamy formula that you can blend it with your fingers and also put it on an eyeliner brush to put on your lash line, just to make a little bit more of a smoky liner look. I also like to brush my eyebrows a little bit. They're a bit haywire, and then go in and curl my lashes. Buxom is my favorite summer mascara. It does not get all over your face in high heat conditions. It really holds a curl very nicely. I want to get a couple of those stray hairs that are not growing in. Just like to add a little bit more of that shimmer onto the top of my lip and put on a really nice liner from Sephora. This is a gel liner. It makes a really great line for your lips. And this Revlon Kiss Glow oil makes a beautiful stain. I like to cover that up with an SPF from Burt's Bees to completely protect my lips. This Paula's Choice Hydrolite is one of my favorites for my neck and chest area. You also can put it on your face, but today I'm just going to use it for the chest and neck. For my hair, I'm going to use my Bumble and Bumble primer and UV protector. It works really well at keeping my hair from being damaged from the sun. I'm totally in love with this Sally Hansen nail polish in Full Bloom. It's great for the summer. And here's my little kit for while you're out and about to keep yourself safe. The CeraVe sunscreen is amazing. It's broad spectrum 50. Keep applying it throughout the day to keep your skin safe from that sun. I also use this little mini version of the Everyday Minerals powder, reapplying on my forehead, my nose, and my chin and my cheeks, because those areas tend to burn really easily. And also reapplying the Burt's Bees Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep your skin safe from the sun and have a great weekend.